Welcome to this tutorial on how to insert a watermark in Adobe Lightroom Classic. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, let's select the image or images that you want to add a watermark to. You can do this by clicking on the library module located on the top right of the screen. Here, you can navigate to your desired folder or collection and select the images you wish to watermark. Library module located on the top right of the screen. Here, you can navigate to your desired folder or collection and select the images you wish to watermark. Then select the image or images you want to add the watermark to. Then right-click and select the export option. Now scroll down the export window and tick the watermark checkbox and go to Edit Watermark. Now opening Watermark Editor, and you can select watermark style text and graphics. I select graphic and choose the pang image like that. And you can change any value of these things like opacity, size, horizontal and vertical values, and rotate your added image the way you like it. Now set preset name and click Create Button. Everything is fine now. But if the export button is non-visible, you have not selected a destination folder, select the desired export location and click the export button. You can now see the watermark applied to your selected images. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.